Hi, in this video, we will talk about capture a video in Playwright. So how we can capture a video in Playwright? So out of the box, we have an option called video capturing. So in our previous videos, we have seen that how to capture full page screenshot and how to capture a particular element screenshot. Okay. So the same way, out of the box, you have an option like capture the videos. Okay. So if you execute something, that particular execution I want to capture as a video, and later I want to verify if something goes wrong, I want to verify in that video where went wrong. Okay. So that option is available in Playwright. So by taking, by writing one test case like capture video, so we will see how we can do that. Okay. So first we'll create a page instance. Page is equals to playwright dot create dot chromium dot launch new browser type dot launch options dot set headless false dot new page. So I created a page instance. So now here where I can do this one. This is how we are doing. So but here this is possible where in the browser context you need to set this for browser context. So instead of writing like this, what I'll do, new page I'll create as a separate thing, but till here. So till here I'll close. So the return type of this one is browser context. Not the one. So this will give browser, not browser context. This will give browser. So now I'll change it to browser. I'll import the class. Now this option is video option is available at context level. So what I'll do, browser context is equals to browser dot new context. Here new browser dot new context options. Right. How we have here browser type dot launch options. For the context, you have new browser dot new context options dot, you see that set record video size, set record video directory, something like that. Okay. So I'll take video directory. So where I want to save the video, right? So paths dot get, this path is coming from Java Neo package. Okay. So paths dot get, what is the location in the current location where I'll do. So in the current directory, I'll use videos directory. In the videos directory, I want to save the execution. Execution video. Okay. So here, then now page is equals to context dot new page. Okay. So this is how you can capture the video of particular execution. So with the help of this context object reference. So browser dot new context, new browser dot new context options dot set record video directory, location of your video. I'm directly giving videos in the current project directory. If you want other than this, it's up to you where you want. You can give the path. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll go to particular website. So what is that website? I'll go to this dev.automationtesting.in/form. So after going here, I want to type something here, address. Okay. So otherwise I'll type something here, first name. So name equal to first name. Okay. Name equal to first name. So page dot locator dot fill. So first name is Krishna and page dot locator. And the last name is this last name dot fill Sakinala. And then I'll take the address. So we have name equal to address. Yes. So page dot locator. So what I'll do here, I will use type. Okay, type. What I need to type. Just I'll say this is my permanent address, something like that, comma, new type options. I'll set a delay for this. Delay of 100 milliseconds. Okay. Means I want to, I should have some execution so I can capture, I can see. If it is very quick, the video will not have anything to show. Okay. So because of that, thread dot sleep of just 2 seconds I'll take. After this, page dot close. Okay. I want to do something on the page so I can capture a video, I can see. All right. So that's all in this. No, we can now execute this. That simple it is. So in the browser new context, you need to mention the set record video directory. We need to just mention set record video directory where you want to. Then it will automatically capture the video. So it is slowly typing that. The reason is I want to perform something on that web page so I can capture. So it's done. It's done. So if you go to your project directory, you see that it created videos folder, and inside this you see some video is created. So let me go inside this, open in Explorer. So here, if you go to videos, you see that this video it captured. So if you double click on this, now you can see the execution, whatever we did. You just observe that. You typing, and after 2 seconds, it will close. That's it. If you want to run again, you can just play. And if something goes wrong, you can watch the video and you can understand how it is behaving. Okay. So this is how it will capture the video. Very simple. You just need to mention for the browser instance this one. Set video with this new context, new browser dot new context options dot set record video directory and where you want to capture. This videos directory it created. If you can create, otherwise if it is not there, the program itself it will create the videos directory. Inside that it will do. And if you observe this, so you see that a random number, it generated a random number. So if you want to execute again, just execute and see the behavior. So this time it will create another video with some random number generated. So that's it. Right. If you go to the web page, you see that one more is created. Okay. So, but if you observe, the video quality is very, very poor. You see that? The video quality is very poor, kind of blur, kind of capturing. Right. So the reason behind this, per my knowledge, is, so if you go to view details, you see that 344 KB, 286 KB. So like if you have multiple test cases executing it, the video will become very heavy, right? So much of space it will take. So because of that, this quality and low. But if still you want to capture the high quality video, okay, so that is also possible. So what you need to do, after this path dot set record size, set record video size. So you need to provide int width and height. So I'll give 1920 comma, some default will have, right, 1080. Okay. So now I have given this high definition configuration video size. So if you try to execute this now, so after execution, you observe the video which is created, the quality. So once it is done, we'll see that. So this is one another option that is up to you. Right, purely depends upon your requirement. If you want high definition, we don't bother about the size. You can do this. So if you go now, you see that this is just generated. This is 1.08 MB. This is just 344 KB, 286 KB, but this is more than 1 MB. So if you try to open this and observe the quality here, you see that the web page is very clear, right? So you can observe the difference. So this is how you can uh, maintain the quality with the help of this set record video size option. Okay. So now the extension of this one is WEBM file. Okay. So, but I want to capture into MP4. I want to give my own name to this. I don't want like this, some random name. Okay, I don't want this random name. Sorry, random number. I want to put my own name. So, so if video capturing till here, this is fine. I think we are done. But this is extra, right? If you want to convert that as separate name and MP4. Okay. So what I'll do, and you can do one more thing here also. What is that? Get the path of the videos where it is capturing. So I mentioned here, but somewhere if you want to get, that is also possible. So S out video folder path. That is what you can do. Page dot video dot path. So it will give you the path also. Let me run and see first. So this time we are not bothered about video, all those things. So where the path of that video. So here, once it is done, you see that? You see that in the videos, the current video it will give. Get the path of the video. Okay. So videos means the current video also it will give in this video section. This is the current one which is generated. Okay. So now what we are discussing, I want to convert that, means I want to rename that. The latest video, I want to rename it to my own. Okay. So here, how we can do that? Not only renaming that, I want to find the latest one, right? And then that I want to rename. So for that, this will give me the latest one, right? So I want to capture this as a file. File latest file name is equals to So I will import this, import class. So here, page dot video dot path. So, but I want in the form of file instance, but it will give me in the form of path. So if you hover on this, you see that provided path, but required is file. So what you can do, you can do like dot to file. So now I generated a, means I converted that into a file object. So now I want to rename with the current timestamp. Okay, I want to rename with the current timestamp. For that, what I'll do, I'll create first simple date format. Okay, df is equals to new simple date format of, what is the date format? You can give your own dd mm yy and then hh and then and then ss. Okay, and then string, I want to capture this as a timestamp. Okay, I want to convert into string df format of, but what you do, new date. Okay, I converted into string that one. Then I want a string file name. Okay, file name, I want to give some file name. So at present, what I'll do, my own file, something like that. Instead of some random number, so I'll give my own file. Otherwise, my video file. Okay, my video file, and I'll convert into string new file name. Right. So a new file name, how we can do that? Dot slash in the videos plus file name plus I'll give the underscore and then timestamp. Sorry, not this one. Plus, so timestamp. Plus, I want that in the form of what? In the form of .mp4. So what I'm doing in the videos directory, file name is what? This file name, my video file underscore some timestamp, whatever the timestamp which you created, .mp4. Okay. Then you need to rename this file. So how can you do this rename file? Okay. So rename file is a very simple. What is that? Latest file name dot rename to new file name. That's it. So it will throw some exception. Add argument using new file. Okay, this is, you need to provide as in the form of file. So this is file, right? So file to file, this is string actually, right? I need to convert to file. So now you say, what is this error? Give me a second. I think this is not an error. Yeah, this is not an error. So first, I took the latest file which is generated, the video file, and here I created some date timestamp and created my own file name, and I converted to like this one with file name, all the, what format and what extension I want, MP4 format. I took that one. I converted to the new file and old file name dot rename to new file name. That's in the same location. Okay. So if you try to execute now, so instead of that random name, now I have given my own. So if you go to the folder, not generated. So it's not generated. So anywhere any issue? So let me check. So the problem is we made a small mistake. So what mistake we did is, so page.close means execution completes here. But before page execution completion, so what we are doing, we are renaming all these things we are doing here. So by the time video is not even generated. Okay. So it should be after completion of your execution. So you can generate all these things. What is the path of that file, all these things. But what is that? You need to do this one, rename to the new file name. So after completion, what will happen? This file will create, and then that will convert to the which format or which name you want. Okay. So let me execute again and see. I think this time it should generate the file with the name and format which we want. So before completion of execution only, we are doing all these things. So because of that, what is the best practice we need to do? This is a demo. So because of that, I have written everything in the @test method. Okay. But if you in the real time, so still not generated. So the reason is, so after completion of this one, to generate, it will take some time, at least, right? So let me wait for 3 seconds. Okay. Let me wait for 3 seconds and execute again. So you need to move this logic to after test, after method, after suite, according to your requirement. Okay. So should not write like this. So you need to move this logic to after completion of your execution rate, maybe after suite or after class or after method, according to your requirement, you can place that logic into the after blocks. Okay. So hopefully it will generate now. Yeah. You see that? Now this is my video file underscore the timestamp, and this is the format is different. You see that? MP4 video file. If you try to open this, you see that high quality video, but it takes so much of memory. The file size will be very large. Okay. So now you see that now it is bit better, I think. If you see that it WEBM file is more than 1 MB, now it is less than 1 MB, even though it is taking more memory. So if you try to execute the same thing again one last time, so it will generate with my video file name with other datetime format. And that is also you can put your own method name, okay, or suite name, whatever you want. So if you observe now, so we don't know like how much time it will take to generate the video. So according to our execution, we need to give some time to generate the video, and then just rename. You see that one more file generated with another datetime stamp. So this is how you can generate a video execution video in Playwright with the help of this simple option, set record video directory. And if you don't want to know high definition, this is enough. But if you want a high definition, like clarity, you can set this other option. And with the help of path.video.path, page.video.path will give you the latest videos location. And with the help of that, what I did, I created my own logic with some date type format. I rename it to this old file name, so the random name to my own name. Okay. So this is all about capturing the video in Playwright. So thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.